3 years ago, I found myself trapped in a relentless cycle. Wake up, work hard, get paid, spend, and then do it all over again. It felt like I was running on a treadmill. If I stopped, everything would come to a halt, especially my income. This realization hit me hard and made me question if there was a better way to achieve financial freedom. That's when I stumbled upon the concepts of passive income and smart investing, which completely changed my outlook on money and work. Learning about passive income was a turning point. I realized that it's possible to build streams of income that don't require constant effort. Instead of trading time for money, you can set up systems that keep earning for you, even when you're not actively working. This idea was both exciting and a bit intimidating, but it opened up a world of possibilities. Today, I want to share the top 5 passive income ideas and some smart investing tips that have helped me and can help you make your money work for you. Passive income is money you earn with little to no daily effort after the initial setup. It's different from your regular job where you have to show up and work to get paid. With passive income, you might put in a lot of work up front, but once things are running, the money keeps coming in. This could be from investments, businesses, or digital products. The key is to build assets that generate cash flow over time, freeing you from the need to constantly trade your time for money. Passive income matters because it gives you more control over your life. When you have money coming in without having to work for every dollar, you gain freedom to spend time with family, pursue hobbies, or even travel. It also provides security, as you're not relying on a single source of income. If something happens to your job, your passive income streams can help keep you afloat. That's why building passive income is a smart move for anyone looking to achieve financial independence. Let's dive into the top 5 passive income ideas that can help you start earning while you sleep. Each idea has its own unique benefits and challenges, but all of them are proven ways to build wealth over time. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your income streams, these strategies can set you on the path to financial freedom. We'll also touch on some smart investing tips to maximize your results and minimize your risks. First up is dividend investing. Imagine planting a tree that grows and pays you fruit every few months. That's what dividend investing is like. You buy shares in stable, established companies that pay out a portion of their profits as dividends. Over time, these payments can add up, especially if you reinvest them to buy more shares. The key is to focus on companies with a strong track record of consistent dividends and long-term growth potential. You invest in dividend-paying stocks, you receive cash payments, usually quarterly, just for holding the shares. These dividends can be taken as income or reinvested to buy more stock, which helps your investment grow even faster. Over time, the power of compounding can turn small regular payments into a significant source of passive income. It's a strategy favored by many long-term investors for its reliability and potential for steady return. Not all dividend stocks are created equal. When choosing where to invest, look for companies with a history of stable or growing dividends. Check their financial health, payout ratios, and industry stability. Diversifying across sectors can also help reduce risk. Remember, the goal is to build a portfolio that generates reliable income over time, not just chase the highest yields. One of the smartest moves you can make with dividend investing is to reinvest your dividends. Instead of taking the cash, use it to buy more shares. This allows your investment to compound over time, accelerating your wealth building process. Many brokerage accounts offer automatic dividend reinvestment plans, making it easy to grow your portfolio without extra effort. Next, let's talk about rental income. This can come from owning physical property like houses or apartments, or from digital assets such as websites or online stores. The idea is simple: you own something valuable and rent it out to others, collecting regular payments in return. Rental income can be a powerful way to build wealth, especially if you focus on properties or assets with strong demand and positive cash flow. Owning rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. Whether it's a single-family home, an apartment, or a vacation rental through platforms like Airbnb, you can earn steady income from tenants. The key is to buy in areas with high demand, manage your properties well, and keep expenses under control. Over time, property values can also appreciate, adding to your overall wealth. Rental income isn't limited to physical property. You can also rent out digital assets like websites, online stores, or even advertising space. For example, if you own a popular blog or e-commerce site, you can earn money by renting ad space or selling sponsorships. These digital rentals often require less maintenance than physical properties and can reach a global audience. When investing in rental properties or digital assets, always focus on cash flow. This means your rental income should exceed your expenses, leaving you with a profit each month. Positive cash flow is the foundation of successful rental investing, as it ensures your investment is sustainable and profitable over the long term. Like any investment, rental income comes with risks. Vacancies, repairs, and market downturns can all impact your returns. To minimize these risks, screen tenants carefully, maintain your properties, and keep a financial cushion for unexpected expenses. Diversifying your rental portfolio, both in location and asset type, can also help protect your income streams. Another great passive income idea is investing in index funds and ETFs. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you invest in a basket that represents the entire market or a specific sector. This approach is simple, low-cost, and historically delivers solid returns over time. It's a favorite strategy for both beginners and experienced investors. Index funds and ETFs pool money from many investors to buy a wide range of stocks or bonds. This diversification reduces your risk since you're not relying on the success of a single company. Over time, the market tends to grow, and so does your investment. Plus, these funds often pay dividends, adding another layer of passive income. One of the most important investing tips is that time in the market beats timing the market. Trying to predict short-term ups and downs is nearly impossible, even for professionals. Instead, focus on staying invested for the long haul. The longer your money stays in the market, the more it can grow through compounding and market appreciation. In selecting index funds or ETFs, look for low fees, broad diversification, and a solid track record. Popular options include funds that track the S&P 500 or total market indexes. Make sure to review the fund's holdings and understand what you're investing in. Consistency and patience are key to seeing strong returns over time. Automating your investments is a smart way to stay consistent. Set up automatic contributions to your index funds or ETFs each month. This takes the emotion out of investing and ensures you're always building your portfolio regardless of market conditions. Over time, these regular investments can add up to significant wealth. Now let's explore digital products as a passive income stream. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them unlimited times. This includes ebooks, online courses, templates, and software tools. With the right marketing, a single product can generate income for years, reaching customers all over the world. Ebooks and online courses are popular digital products. If you have expertise in a subject, you can package your knowledge into a book or course and sell it online. Platforms like Amazon Kindle and Udemy make it easy to reach a wide audience. Once your product is live, it can keep earning money with minimal ongoing effort. Templates, spreadsheets, and software tools are also in high demand. Businesses and individuals are always looking for ways to save time and work more efficiently. By creating useful digital tools, you can tap into a market that values convenience and productivity. These products often require little maintenance after launch, making them ideal for passive income. Creating a great digital product is only half the battle. Effective marketing is essential to reach your audience and drive sales. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your products. Building an audience takes time, but once you have loyal customers, your digital products can provide steady income for years. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is scalability. Unlike physical goods, there's no limit to how many copies you can sell. As your reputation grows and your marketing improves, your sales can increase without much extra work. This makes digital products a powerful tool for building passive income. Automated businesses are another excellent way to earn passive income. These are businesses that use systems and technology to operate with minimal day-to-day involvement from you. Examples include dropshipping stores, print-on-demand shops, and affiliate marketing websites. By leveraging automation, you can free up your time while your business keeps running. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. This means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping, and your business can run almost on autopilot. With the right marketing and product selection, dropshipping can generate steady passive income. Print-on-demand is similar to dropshipping but with custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. You create designs, upload them to a platform, and when someone orders, the item is printed and shipped automatically. This business model allows for creativity and flexibility, and once your designs are live, they can keep earning you money with little ongoing effort. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can do this through blogs, YouTube channels, or social media. Once your content is live and ranking, it can generate passive income as people continue to find and use your links over time. Key to automated businesses is leveraging technology to handle repetitive tasks. Use tools for order processing, customer service, and marketing automation. This reduces your workload and allows you to focus on growing your business or exploring new opportunities. The more you automate, the more freedom you gain. Successful automated businesses rely on strong systems. Document your processes, use reliable software, and regularly review your operations. This ensures your business runs smoothly, even when you're not involved in the day-to-day. Over time, these systems can turn your business into a true passive income machine. Building passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It requires effort, patience, and the right mindset. Be prepared to put in work up front, whether you're creating a product, buying property, or learning about investments. The most successful investors think long-term, diversify their income streams, and stay consistent even when progress feels slow. Every passive income stream requires some effort at the beginning. Whether it's researching investments, creating digital products, or setting up automated systems, the initial work is what sets you up for future rewards. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay focused on your long-term goals and the rewards will come. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income streams helps protect you from unexpected setbacks. If one source slows down, others can pick up the slack. This approach not only reduces risk but also increases your chances of building lasting wealth. Explore different passive income ideas and see which ones fit your skills and interests. Consistency is one of the most important traits for successful investors. Regularly contribute to your investments, keep learning, and don't let short-term setbacks throw you off course. Over time, consistent effort leads to compounding growth and greater financial security. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need a lot of money to start building passive income. Many successful investors began with small amounts and grew their wealth over time. The important thing is to get started, even if it's just a little at first. As your income grows, you can reinvest and expand your portfolio, accelerating your progress toward financial freedom. The world of investing and passive income is always evolving. Stay curious and keep learning about new opportunities, strategies, and tools. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, watch videos, and connect with others who share your goals. Continuous learning is a key ingredient for long-term success. It's easy to make mistakes when starting out. Avoid chasing get-rich-quick schemes or putting all your money into one investment. Be wary of high fees, scams, and promises that sound too good to be true. Focus on proven strategies, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Protecting your money is just as important as growing it. Keep track of your investments and passive income streams. Use spreadsheets, apps, or financial software to monitor your growth and spot areas for improvement. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts next. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Reinvesting your earnings is a powerful way to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Whether it's dividends, rental income, or profits from digital products, putting your money back to work helps your investments grow faster. Over time, this compounding effect can turn small streams of income into a river of wealth. Building passive income takes time and persistence. There will be ups and downs, but staying motivated is crucial. Remind yourself why you started, whether it's for financial freedom, more family time, or the ability to travel. Celebrate small wins and keep your eyes on the bigger picture. Your future self will thank you. Financial freedom means having enough income to cover your needs and wants without relying on a traditional job. It's the ultimate goal of passive income and smart investing. With multiple income streams and a solid investment strategy, you can achieve the freedom to live life on your own terms. You don't need to be wealthy to begin your passive income journey. Many people start with small investments or side projects and grow from there. The most important step is to take action. Start where you are, use what you have, and build momentum over time. Every little bit counts on the road to financial independence. The best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect amount of money. Begin with what you have, learn as you go, and watch your passive income streams grow. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to work for you. You've covered the top 5 passive income ideas and some essential smart investing tips. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and the right mindset. Focus on long-term growth, diversify your income streams, and stay consistent. With patience and persistence, you can achieve financial freedom and let your money work for you. Your financial future is in your hands. By taking small steps today, you can build a foundation for lasting wealth and freedom. Start exploring passive income ideas, invest wisely, and keep learning. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Here's to your success and a future where your money works for you.